Hope you're all doing well. Thanks so much for watching. So today I'm super excited because I am taking out my new Xiaomi 14 Ultra here on my first photo walk. Today I'll be going around Osaka Castle, and it's kind of my least favorite time of day to shoot. The sun is pretty high in the sky, so we're getting some pretty harsh shadows, and that's also like a full blue sky today, which is kind of my least favorite kind of scenario to shoot in. So we'll see how my editing goes if I can, go outside of my comfort zone a little bit. But yeah, let's get right into it, and I hope you enjoy. All right, so I apologize in advance for all the wind because it's pretty windy today, but check out what I've got. So I've got the camera grip attached. I've got it all set up. I've also got my little lens, or not my lens, my filter adapter here. I've got a CPL on. So yep, it's great because it covers all the lenses. And just look at this. This is so fun. So I'm shooting in the Ultra Roll because I'm hoping I can get some benefit out of that 16 bits they allow with that. Figure might as well just keep the little castle bit on the side there. Drop it by like a third of a stop maybe. I think it's pretty good to get in the habit of whenever you take a horizontal shot that you also take a vertical and vice versa. Because all the time I kind of miss things that I didn't see until I tried it. By the way, this ultra wide is freaking wide. It's one of the big things I like versus the Vivo as well. It's just how wide it is. And such a big part of shooting is legitimately just the experience that you have. Like, I could have the best camera in the world. Like, statistically, I could have the best camera in the world, but if I don't enjoy using it, I'm not gonna use it. So there really is, sorry for the wind, there really is a lot to be said about having fun while you do it, and this makes it super fun. Maybe we can find some plants with a light here. I also need to be pretty careful with my EV compensation. I've been going way too low lately. At least that was on the Vivo. Maybe it'll respond a bit differently here, but I don't know. Whenever I got to editing, it just didn't feel great going too low with the EV compensation. So I'm gonna not trust what I see on the screen as much anymore, and I'm just gonna really follow the histogram up there. All right, we're gonna go back up where there's not a band playing. All right, I don't know what this thing is. But we'll try. Oh my gosh, I'm so shaky. I also really like being out in this corner where there's not tons of people. We've got some bugs going around. Maybe I can find some critters. We'll have a look and see if there's any slower moving bugs around. I'd love to go to a much more like Inaka kind of countryside area and get some photos. Maybe we can take this guy. still got it though. We got it with a good focal length. I think I would have liked it. I think I would have liked it zoomed in a bit more, but we can always crop in. Hopefully we won't lose too much there. Okay, what about this one? Never mind, these guys are pretty quick too. Yeah, no one wants to sit still for me, do they? I'll tell you what, I'm having much more fun out here on the sides. Ooh, what about ultra wide here? I don't take many with the ultra wides. I'll try it. I don't think we're gonna be able to get a meaningful shot of it. I think it'll be too quick and I'll be too slow. You know what? We will try some Sunstar actually. There, oh, there we go. Look at that. Got a little bit of flare. We can stop all the way to f4 as well. Let's wait until there's a good spot. So yeah, that's one of the benefits of having a actual variable aperture, is the more you stop down. It's not great with every lens, but some lenses get some really nice sun stars, which is basically the points of light coming out. Yeah, I think this is a 6-blade aperture, so different aperture or different styles can affect the shape and how pronounced they are and all that stuff. All right, here we are. There we go. Get away from all the swaths of people. I forget exactly how old Osaka Castle is, but it's crazy to think that hundreds and hundreds of years ago, on the same spot right here, people were walking and talking and, you know, living life completely differently than now, but also not. There we go, we've got a little thing here, half in the light, half in not. It's kind of cool. I'm so happy because there's usually not people up here. This is just a really nice spot to kind of chill out. Whoa. Can't imagine it was much different than this all those years ago. You're just a dude protecting the castle and you're chilling out. Surely not as many skyscrapers in the distance though. There you go, you can kind of see some mountains out on that side. I like looking out this way the best for sure. And I'll tell you what, I think the only thing that would make the 14 Ultra better was having 5 lenses and having one of them dedicated to being a 50mm. That'd be great too. This is nice. I think I'm just gonna travel all along up here, see if we can get some cool shots. That building right there always reminds me of Camino from Star Wars, right? They had the cool kind of futuristic-y looking rounded buildings. That one right there always reminds me of it. Basically, my favorite parts of the castle is this walkway all the way around, because there's not usually a ton of people, and there's still some nice shots to be had for sure. Here we go. Maybe about right here. That way you can get the layers of the store, the buildings, and the mountains in the background. Lots of people walking around with their big cameras. I've got my little big camera here. I'll tell you what, this makes me want to shoot so much more than having to carry around like an A7 IV and a big old lens. So I really like this building here, but I didn't want to get in the way of these people. Do something here. Beautiful. What a beautiful day. There's a guy right here. All right, check out how wide we can get here. I'm so close and I can almost fit the whole thing. This is about where I was with the Vivo X100 Pro video when I was going on and on about the close focus with the telephoto. Now I've got two of them. Now I've got two of those lenses. Okay, I'm liking this. We might try one really overexposed. I say really, maybe just a bit. All right, what a way to end. I think we're gonna get some flowers here, and this might be the last for this video. Oh, if the wind chills out a bit. It's way too windy. There we go.